there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the long double crochet, also known as extended double crochet. A long double crochet is crocheted as a regular double crochet, except instead of inserting your hook through the top stitch, we will insert it into the row below. It can be 2, 3, 4, even 5 rows below. So let me show you what I mean. Yarn over, then insert your hook, like I said, not into the stitch but into the stitch below, so under the first row. Pull up a loop, then do your double crochet as usual. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is how an extended double crochet looks like. Now I'll make 2 rows below, so yarn over, not into the top stitch, not under the first row, but under the second row, into the row 3 stitch. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, now yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you can see this long double crochet is longer than this long double crochet. Let's make an even longer one. Yarn over, count the rows, so not top stitch, not second row, not third row, into the 4th row, so between 4th and 3rd row. Yarn over, pull up a loop, this time a little longer loop than the other ones. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now you can see there is a difference in height. And this is how you crochet the long double crochet.